Hey there guys, welcome back. It's Arrow Dragon, and today I got my Code of the Duelist Special Edition, well, I guess you could say entire box, or the sealed box of 10 mini boxes. Wow, so many boxes. Anyways, that wasn't a pun, but in the bag here, it's basically in the bag of every special edition that, well, is in here. Basically, we're going to get Skullmeister and Solemn Strike for the promos, or for the previous promo cards. And then for the new promo cards, we get Star Boy and Cyber's Beacon. Alright, so let's crack into it. And then I'm going to probably skip or something because there's a lot to open. And I'm just going to show you guys the inside and everything first before I actually skip and open all the plastic and cardboard. Alright, so wow, it's a very beautiful box. I like the design where it's like yellow and it has the patterns and everything. It's really nice. Alright, so do this. So there's 10 mini boxes, but guys, I'm gonna skip and I'll be back with all of these opened. Alright guys, let's get down to business. We can start opening these special editions now, and yeah, let's see what we get out from the first one. So we got a Star Boy promo and a Skullmeister. So really cool. Let's see. So when a card effect is activated in your opponent's graveyard, quick effect, you can send this card from your hand to the graveyard, negate that effect. It was really hyped when Dinosaurs was stealthing, but they got hit by the ban list, so I don't think this card's gonna be that relevant in the meta, but you never know. Alright, so first pack of the special editions. I'm gonna separate the promos and the comments and all that stuff, if I can do that without. Alright, there we go. Alright, and ooh, first pack, Spellbook of Knowledge. Wow. Alright, let's see here. Put the pack full in a different pile. But man, that is a good way to start off this opening. Spellbook of Knowledge. Alright, so I actually opened up one of these special editions. Oh nice, a Heavy Storm Duster. With a friend of mine. And we opened up a Maximum Crisis and we pulled 4 secrets and 4 ultras. So I don't know if that's like a set ratio for the special editions, like boxes. So let's see if we can actually break that, or I don't know, do better. So we got a Traptrix Mantis. Alright, those are all the other cards. Alright, so there's our 3 packs, and we got a Cyber's Beacon and Solemn Strike. So we got all the promos. Really nice. Alright, let's see here. Break Off Trapple, super rare. And a Twilight Eraser for a rare. So yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys are pretty sick of the comments by now because I have opened up so much Code of the Duelist. I just really want to get to the point and, you know, pull that foil. So we got DDD Wave High King Caesar and Motivating Captain for a rare. Next pack. So let's see what we get in this special edition. We got Lila, Twilight Storm, and Enchantress, or Enchantress. Oh my gosh, can't talk. Anyways, let's continue on to the third one, and we got plastic. Don't mind that. We got Star Boy and Skullmeister. Alright, so we get in this pack. Break Off Chapel for a super. Yeah, my arms are probably going to be really sore after this. Gonna be opening a lot of packs. Another DDD card. I wonder why they didn't make the Synchro one of super rare or something, because Xyz one was a super, so I figured. And another Lila. Come on, what happened to our trend? We pulled an Ultra. And then we stopped pulling stuff now. So we got Mr. Boy and Skullmeister. Alright. Let's see what we get. Come on. Ah, Goki the Great Ogre. I was like, oh yes, is it gonna be Firewall? But it wasn't. Sadly. So far, we pulled one Ultra, guys. One Ultra. And the rest were supers. And another super. Cracking Dragon. So, let's see. This would be our 12th pack, I believe. Oh, Mrs. Radiant. That's another way to troll me. Alright, so technically we are complete on the right side, or almost complete. But for promos, oh, Cyber Speaking and Skullmeister with a little nick on the top here. Oh well, that's not good. Alright. That's a different pattern than now, so does that mean we're gonna get something good? Goki the Great Ogre. Would this box please, like, not play with my heart, you know? Like, don't do that. I want a Firewall. Cracking Dragon. We've been pulling Goki the Great Ogre and Cracking Dragon, like, I don't know, like, multiple times now. It's not in a row, but I've seen too much of it. And Mrs. Radiant. That's an okay super. Alright, left side. Hopefully we can return the favor. That's actually a good pack there, or a good promo set there. Alright, Trickstar like Horse. At least that's a different super rare. Just kidding, I think we pulled one earlier. Did we? I'm not sure. I'm not gonna look back into the pile of supers. But Spellbook of Knowledge, that's... Oh, and we got a Castle Link, Ultra Rare. I'll take it. At least it's not a super rare. Hopefully we get 4 secret rares, please. Heavy Storm Duster, that's a good super rare. That is a very good super rare. Alright, next we got Cyber Speaking and Soul Strike. Not bad. What am I gonna do with all these plastics? Alright. Goki rematch. I guess I just skipped right to it. Alright. Come on. Secret rare. Nope. This is really sad. Like, I challenged my friend. I was like, hey, you know, let's see who pulls like the best cards out from our special editions. And I don't think. Oh yeah, there we go. Firewall Dragon. Alright. Look at that beauty. Oh yeah. Alright, secret rares will go over here. Alright. Can we pull 2 Firewall Dragons? That's the only way that I can like win. Like, no doubt win. Kind of like Exodia Condition win. Yeah, so it's a Firewall. But if it does follow the ratios, then we should be able to get like 1 more secret rare. Ooh, Punishment Dragon. Ultra rare. Or, kind of like from what the Maximum Crisis box did for me was, what did it do? I totally forgot. It was 4 ultras, 4 secrets, and then the rest were supers. So we got 3 ultras and 1 secret. So let's see. Let's see if that can happen. Or I don't know, like if that box was just lucky because I pulled a Dragonic Diagram and a Ash Blossom. It was crazy. Is that another Firewall? Nah, it's a Mrs. Radiant. Alright, so we're down to our last 2 special editions. But man, I've been pulling a lot of the strikes. So that's really nice because they're like $6 a piece, which is super crazy for a promo because you make back 2/3 of your special edition. It's crazy. Gogi Twist Cobra. Let's see here. I don't mind getting a Trickstar Reincarnation, maybe a second Firewall. I don't know. I don't think we're gonna get 4 secret rares unless every single pack here from now on is a secret rare. Oh well. What is this? It's another Castle Link. Wow. We're doubling up on ultra rares. Well, I guess these special editions don't have a set like ratio, if you guys know what I mean. But yeah, anyways, Mr. Boy and Skullmeister. Alright. I just have so much stuff on my table right now. But hopefully these last 3 packs contains at least one secret rare. It's not looking like it. Cyber's Wizard for a super rare. Come on. Come on. Either way, I already made my money back because I got this for $69 or so. And oh, there we go. Topologic Bomber Dragon. Alright, really nice. Beautiful card. I'll put that down. Yeah. Can we pull another secret rare? That'll be really nice. Alright. Oh, did I just skip it? Oh yeah, I skipped it. The super rare. I saw the rare. I'm like, wait, what? Alright, Traptrix Mantis for a super rare. Alright, so that was actually a pretty epic opening. Despite us doubling up on Castle Links, we got a Firewall Dragon. So looks like the set ratio is actually 2 secrets like a normal booster box, and then 4 ultras like a normal booster box. And then yeah, you get a bunch of supers, and then you also get the promo cards, which I am not gonna complain about. So here's all the regular supers that we got from the pack opening. Got a couple of the Heavystone Dusters. Let's see. I'm not gonna take time to organize this, but we're just gonna go through. I'm gonna count how many stolen strikes we got. So we got 1 strike, 2 strike, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so pretty even then, or average. 5 strikes, give or take $6 each. That's 30. Firewall still sitting around 35. $65. Kind of made my money back because Topologic is also 10. So yeah, I broke even. I'm happy. You know, a lot of good cards I pulled, and Firewall Dragon though. If I were to pull 2 firewalls, I would probably flipped out. But anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And this is Aero Dragon, and I am signing out.